So Prem, I want to assign one task to you.
Okay.
Diwali is coming. So I want to send our Diwali wishes to clients.
Okay.
For that I want one e-card.
Okay.
In that our company logo should be there.
Okay.
And wishes should be there.
Okay.
But I want it today. Will it be done today?
It will be done today.
Okay.
Hey Prem, why are you looking so sad?
A Deepavali wishes e-card by listeners of.
Hey Prem, don't worry, I have an idea. We can finish this task as soon as possible. I will help you out of this.
Really? I need wishes e-cards.
A few minutes later.
It's very nice. How you have done it so fast?
Flashback.
Search for Diwali photo frame editor in Play Store, developed by Appwallet Technologies. We made all our Diwali greetings using this app. You'll get lots of ready-made greetings, Profile Pic, frames, animated GIF, Want to make your greeting look professional? Just tap the add icon option and place your brand logo or company icon anywhere you like. Once you're done, share your creative Diwali wishes instantly on WhatsApp, Instagram or Facebook and spread happiness with just one tap. So why wait? Just go and download Happy Diwali Photo Frame Editor 2025 now and make your wishes shine brighter than ever.